set up Hisense Google TV with Google Home. Hi everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you set up Hisense Google TV with Google Home. For that, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Make sure your Hisense Google TV is connected to the Wi-Fi, and you have to actually go to the main menu on your TV and find the settings option. Then within the settings, go to the system and then voice services, locate Google Smart Home Services and turn it on. The TV will guide you through the step process, which might involve signing into your VIDA. You'll be prompted to scan the QR code with your phone or using with your phone's Google Home app, after which open the Google Home app and then you want to add a device. So choose or add a home device and scan the QR code, which you'll be asked to scan the QR code, follow the instructions, and then you've successfully set up your Hisense Google TV with Google Home. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.